Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Auto Vlogs. My name is Amit and today I will show you the all new 2023 Nissan Kicks e-Power. In this video we will talk about 5 points: engine, exterior, interior, safety and pricing. So pinakauna, usapan natin tungkol sa engine. Under the hood, Nissan Kicks comes with 1.2 liter 3-cylinder gasoline engine with a semi-electric hybrid system. So guys, next po usapan natin tungkol sa exterior design. As you can see, Nissan Kicks looks very stylish and sporty. Pinakahuna napansin kayo dito, meron ito very stylish and sobrang laki piano black front grille with V-shaped chrome accent, very stylish logo design. Tapos meron po siya front camera. Sa baba po, meron po ito chrome accent bagay tingnan. Kung usapan natin sa overall width, 1,760 mm. Dito po, meron po fully LED, very stylish headlamp with daytime running lamp. Meron po siya chrome garnish, bagay tingnan. Sa baba po, meron po ito fully LED fog lamps with piano black finish, bagay tingnan. So next po, papakita ko sa iyo side profile, so doon na tayo. So guys, dito na ako sa side profile. Pinakauna na pansin ko dito, meron siya two-tone, very stylish 17 inches mag. Ang tire size po 255R17. Black ORVM with turn indicator and 360 view camera. Dual tone po siya, yung roof po black. Body color door handle with keyless entry. Silver accent roof rail. Ang overall length po 4,300 mm. Overall height 1,615 mm. Overall wheelbase po 2,620 mm. Kung usapan natin tungkol sa ground clearance, 180 mm. Napansin ko dito, meron po siya na silver accent, bagay tingnan. So next po, papakita ko sa yung rear profile, so doon na tayo. So guys, dito na ako sa rear profile na Nissan Kicks e-Power. Pinakauna napansin ko dito, sa taas meron po siya shark fin antenna, integrated rear spoiler with washer, stop lamp, defogger and rear wiper. Logo design is very stylish. Fully connected LED tail lamps. May nakasulat na Kicks. Body color garnish. Meron po siya reverse camera, reverse parking sensors sa bumper. Tapos meron din dito na reflectors. Dito sa kabilang side may nakasulat na e-Power, indicate na kung semi-hybrid na siya. Overall design is very stylish and appealing. So next po, papakita ko sa iyo yung interior, so doon na tayo. So guys, dito na ako sa loob na Nissan Kicks e-Power. Pinakauna napansin kayo dito, meron siya all black interior with leather seats, leather wrap flat bottom steering wheel with silver accent, audio controls, cruise controls, 7 inches colored TFT display. Yung steering wheel po, pwede po adjust tilted and telescopic. Dito po, meron siya 8 inches touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, automatic climate control. May space po pang palagay na cellphone. Meron po dito na USB and Type-C charger with 12-volt socket. Electric power brake, auto hold, engine start-stop button, drive modes, EV mode. Tapos ito po, single speed gear reduction system. Maliit lang po, cute naman. Ito po bottle holder, sobrang laki po yan. Ito po cute naman ang armrest. Meron din space dito, konti lang, pang cards lang, tapos pwede po lagay na wallet. Manual IRVM, halogen cabin light. Dito sa shade, meron po dito na vanity mirror. Pati dito meron. Decent size po yung glove box. Meron po dito na soft touch Tapos, all power window controls with ORVM controls. Meron po dito. Meron din dito na soft touch. Yung seat po, pwede po adjust height. Pwede po baba. Tapos, ganito. 6-way adjustable po yan, pero manual. So, next po, papakita ko sa inyo yung second row. So, doon na tayo. So guys, dito na ako sa second row na Nissan Kicks. Overall space, legroom po. Good. Headroom, also good. Kasya dito tatlo. Meron po siya tatlo headrest. Pero wala siya armrest. Dito sa door panel, meron po power window controls. Tapos meron din dito na soft touch. Sa harap po, meron po dito na dalawang USB charger. Sa taas po, meron po ito, cabin light. Kung usapan natin sa overall space and comfort, Nissan Kicks is very spacious and it's sobrang comfortable car. Seats are very comfortable. Sobrang malambot. So guys, next po usapan natin tungkol sa safety features. Nissan Kicks comes with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, 360 view camera, immobilizer, anti-theft alarm system, traction control, and ISOFIX child seats. So guys, next po usapan natin tungkol sa pricing na Nissan Kicks e-Power. Nissan Kicks comes in 3 variants. Yung pinaka-best variant is ELE Power automatic transmission 1.2 liter. Ang pricing is 1.2 million 39,000 pesos. Yung mid variant VE Power automatic 1.2 liter. Ang pricing is 1.3 million 39,000 pesos. Tapos yung top of the line VLE Power automatic transmission 1.2 liter engine. Ito po yun. Ang pricing is 1.5 million 39,000 pesos. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel Auto Vlogs and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.